Very good evening, friends. So now I'm creating a new activity in this video, and this time I'm going to name it as a Firebase login. So in this video, we are going to discuss about how we start the login, sign up, and store the information from the user on the Firebase. So this video will be very interesting, and I hope that you will be enjoying it much. So just keep watching and pay attention to it. So for that, first let me create one user interface, and there I need one banner. And on that banner is just a text view. I'll take one text view, and I just provide some background color and sufficient width so that it will look like a banner. So let me provide the constraints here from the constraints visit here, and provide the margin top as 0, and then here it is 0, left margin 0. Here right now is 20, later I can make it something else. So now here I come and change the text as welcome. Okay, welcome. Provide the, okay, now I want to make my layout width as match parent, and the height will be something 60-50 dp, little broader, so that I can write something like heading welcome to this, so that it can look little better. So this is 50 dp, and background I'll provide as Firebase color. Yes, this is hollow orange dark, and then the text color as white. Okay, so now it's good. Text size I make it as 20 sp or 30 sp depending on what provides a better look and feel. And then the gravity should be at center. So let's see, click on the design to see how it looks. And before that, I want to remove this text view because this is of no use. So here it is. So now it's little better. So I make it 30 sp so that it can be little bolder and bigger. Yes. So this time I need to add some more views. So I need 4 edit text for name, mobile, email, and the password. So this one is for name, and okay. So this you have studied. Otherwise, if you don't understand how to do all this, you can watch my previous videos. I'm trying to do little fast. So I just pick the one for email, one for password, name. So 4 edit text and one button I need. So okay, so the password, or I take better plain text. Okay, so this is plain text, fine. Now I take provide constraints fast, some 10 dp. Okay, then I go for email, drag it, place it just below this, provide the constraint on the top only because left and right we see this looks nice, and one for password. So here I got the password edit text for that also. Then I need one for button, provide the margin 10 dp is fine. Okay, so we will be receiving the name, mobile, and the email ID and the password, and we'll be storing this on our Firebase project. So I have to create a Firebase also, but little fast. Let me just have button, provide the margin fast, and yes, so the button is now almost, these things are kind of ready. Just provide some sufficient constraint, because if the constraints are missing, then also this one becomes a problem, and they say that it it crashes, layout crashes if you do not provide all the constraint. This will be taken as a error. Okay, now I think here we have got something better. Don't worry about that. The look and feel we keep on improving with the passage of the project. So let me come back to this and change this as mobile. This is my second edit text because first you see the name. No, 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 not email. Mobile, mobile, mobile. And people say patience is very important because if you don't have the patience, you can't make anything good. Only you feel unnecessarily in hurry and you create a lot of shit things. So the here the password hint I have taken some asterisks, and okay, so they are all there, but I need to provide them at center of this edit text. So the gravity at center, this gravity also at center, and yes, these two are fine. I go for do the same thing for name and email also. The gravity center, and this gravity, this is the edit text, so here also the gravity is center. Okay, now I need to provide some background color to the button, and then I will make the background color as same like the banners. So text as login, and then background color should be orange. Okay, so we are done here, and now okay, text size as 20 sp, fine, and text color, let me provide some text color to this so that it can look little better. So yes, and now I simply go, okay, text I'm color I made it black again, maybe it was not saved. So I'm just providing the name to those edit texts. So this is edit text mobile, first one was edit text name, and then the click yes, because I'm renaming, that's why I need to press those X, because otherwise it should be now here yes, means make the changes everywhere, because by default they give the edit text name as edit text 1 2 3 4. I'm providing it so that I can understand what I'm what edit text I'm working with. So this one is login, I just make it as the button login btn login or login button, whatever it is, but just you have to remember the IDs because I'm going to use all those in my main activity.java. So first let me create, because when you put the information that we need a Java class, and just I'm going to name as customer, there it will have the 4 instance variables called as email ID, name, mobile, password, because we have to use this class as us, you can say the container, or the objects will be initialized and used as to transfer the data from the user to the Firebase. So the string name, string mobile, string mail, and string pass for password is fine. String pass. Then I come back to my main activity.java. There I will create the instances of the edit text and the button. So edit text, ed name, ed mobile, ed pass, okay, ed pass, ed mail, ed pass. So ed name, ed mobile, ed mail, ed pass, and then one button. Okay, button, and then that is button login or login button. Alt enter to remove that, and then I come into here and I just try to receive. So all these can be received, and then on button I'll provide the button set on click listener. So I'll just go a little faster to save time. So the ed name equal to find view by id, r.id.ed text name. Same way you can go and find for ed mobile, find view by id r.id dot. Okay, this is ed text mobile. Yeah, third one. Okay, this is done, and then I go for ed mail. No, not this mail dot. No, equal. Find view by id r.id dot ed text mail r.id dot ed text mail. Then ed pass equal to find view by id r.id dot ed text password. Yes, and then I provide on the button, and then I just provide set on click listener, doing little thing little faster. So the login button is find view by id r.id dot login button, and then on the login button I have created set on quick listener. Inside this I'll create one function called as insert data, and here I'm going to define the insert data. I'm just trying to be a little faster so that it save some time. So the public void in, no, not this one, insert data, and then here insert data, and then here I need to fetch the information from those edit text. So for that I'll create some strings. So the string name equal to, or first let me create all these strings. So string name, mobile, email, and the password pass, and then I'll write, okay, mail, because I worry that the key email can be a keyword. So the name equal to ed mail, ed name dot get text dot to string dot trim, to remove the blank spaces from beginning and end. And then I go for mobile equal to ed mail, sorry, ed mobile dot get text dot to string dot trim, and then I need for the mail equal to ed mail dot get string get text to string trim. Then same way for the password also, ed pass dot get text dot to string dot trim. Okay, then I need to create the object for the Firebase database, and using that object and the object from the customer we will upload the data. So first let me create one string data key, and that data key will be getting its value from the database. So I have to go on the top and then create the object for the Firebase database. So here database reference equal, now this is instance, and then here I'll make it. So the database reference equal to find Firebase database dot get instance dot reference, and here you provide just a character called customers. This help you to recognize the thing, and so our database reference object has been created. Okay, so now this red one is because the spelling is wrong. I need I should be smaller because insert data. So let me make this I as small, and then here string data key equal to database reference dot, I'll go for push dot get key. Yes, so database reference dot push dot get key. Now I create object of the type customer, customer equal to new customer, and pass all these name, mobile, email, and password to this. So whatever we got from the user, that has become the object, and that name is customer, small letters. So now with the help of this customer and data key, we will upload the information. So here I use the data key with the database reference. So the database reference dot child, because you always have to provide the data key into the child. So database reference dot child, then pass data key into set values as customer. So this one, and here, so pay attention, database reference dot child and pass data key dot set value as customer, and then toast dot, because it is done. So the get application context, comma, database inserted, and then toast dot length long dot show. So here we are done. Now let me run the application, and then I will enter the information, these four things, and will show you whether it has been uploaded to the database or not. So for that I need to enter the name. So I write here as Gangadhar Pandey, mobile, any random 10-digit numbers I provide. Okay, and then email ID pandey.gangadhar@gmail.com, and then I provide a random password, and then let's see if the toast says that it is created, it means it is uploaded. So yes, successfully inserted. So now I simply open my browser, go on the Firebase console, and there I have got this Firebase login application. Project is already ready, and then okay, this is real-time database, and then there you see we have got our information stored here. This is customers, this is our reference text, and now you see everything is there. Thank you very much, and just subscribe to our channel and keep watching. Have a very nice time.